Okay, we're going to talk about in this video how to download and install the Field Audit Tool for your field audits. So here's my phone here. I'm going to go to the Google Store icon and open up the Google Store. Now, in order to be able to actually find or see the Field Audit Tool in the Google Store, you need to have a Gmail address, and I need to provide your Gmail address to our programmer, and he adds your email address to his list of authorized users of the app. And by being added to the authorized user list, it will allow you to, when you search for it in the Google Store, to actually see a result for it. And let's see, so I'm going to go ahead and type in Field Audit Tool. Let's do a search here. Click the little search icon. Okay, now this is an ad here, but if we come down, there's an option right here. Field Audit Tool, Bryce Jacobson. This is our family search app. I'm going to press on that. I'm going to tell it to install. Okay, we'll go ahead and wait for that to download. I'm going to pause the recording, and I'll come back when it's done completely downloading and installing. Okay, the app finally successfully installed, and I'm going to press on open. Okay, when it first opens, it will ask you to create a profile. Now, unless you clear the cache, clear all the data, and install the app, you should only ever have to do this profile creation one time. So every time you close the app and reopen it, your profile will still be in it. But you'll want to go ahead and take a selfie. I guess you probably don't have to, but we would like you to. It's good to put a face to the name when we get reports back. So we're gonna pretend I'm taking a selfie. This virtual Android phone can't actually take my picture, but we're going to pretend here that I'm taking a selfie. Press the check mark. Okay, so I took a photo here. I'm going to type in my name. I'm going to invent a name. Auditor X Mary. We'll do that. Pretend, that's my first and last name. My phone number. It doesn't like spaces or dashes. So you'll put in your area code. Whatever your number is here, I'm just putting random numbers. Your GRMS ID. If you do not know your GRMS ID, send me a message. I will give it to you. But that's the same ID we have on all your service orders. I'm going to pretend I'm a Ghanaian auditor and give myself this ID here. Okay. And then my account name will be the account name you have with us, so your company name. So Field Audits Incorporated. Just invent a name. Okay. And my email address, we'll just put in fieldaudits@gmail.com, or whatever your Gmail address is. Okay. And then I want to click on the check mark at the top right corner of the app. And we created my profile. We do want to allow all this access here. There's 3 different types of access the app wants to have. We're going to let it have access to photos, media, and files. We're going to allow it to record audio, and we'll allow it to access the device's location. Okay, and here we are. Now we're ready to start working with it. I'm going to stop the recording, and a separate video will address the next step in the process.